Exterior wooden doors, advantages and disadvantages explained. Welcome back to our channel. Dear friends, in today's video, we will talk about the pros and cons of exterior wooden doors, and whether they are a good choice for your home. Exterior wooden doors are popular for their natural and elegant appearance. They add a warm feeling to your entrance and can instantly improve your home's exterior look. Wood also provides good insulation, which means better temperature control and reduced outside noise. These doors can be easily carved or designed, so you have endless options in styles and finishes. However, wooden doors do come with a few drawbacks. They require regular maintenance such as polishing or painting to protect them from sunlight, rain, and moisture. Wood can swell or warp in humid weather, which affects its durability over time. Also, good quality wooden doors are quite expensive compared to metal or fiberglass options. So, should you buy one? If you love a natural, premium look and don't mind regular maintenance, a wooden exterior door can be a great investment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.